Let's take a look at how search works in Drupal by default. So when we install Drupal, a search block is enabled in the sidebar. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to search for 2029. And this takes us to the search result page, which is at /search. And here's our search result. So this is a blog post, but if we put in something like Phil, we'd see the staff pages show up as well as the tour pages and tour type. If we used the advanced search here, we could narrow down which content types we wanted to search. So we could select just blog, page, and tour type. So if we added those and then searched again and scrolled down, we'd only see results with those content types. Out of the box, the search configuration is a bit limited, so we can't specify which types of content we want to search by default. Let's take a look at the configuration for it. So I'm going to do a coffee search for search, and we'll go to search and metadata. And let's go to search pages. Let's take a look at the settings we have here. The first is indexing progress, and we have the option to reindex the site.